My book tour's taken me all around the country, but tonight I'm in my hometown, and guess who's moderating? My dad. Say hey, Dad.
Hey, Brad.
Let's go. I run multiple businesses, and given its roster of benefits, the VentureX business card has become one of my go-tos for several reasons.
What was the best part of writing the book?
The best part of writing the book was finishing it.
These days, I value flexibility.
I love your book.
Thank you. Oh my God, thank you for coming.
And that's what the VentureX business card gives. The miles are really valuable when redeeming. Guess it's time to go. You can transfer to a number of really valuable airline partners or redeem for pretty much any travel purchase, like my flight, a ride share, or even a helicopter to the airport. Want to go in a helicopter? That was a yes. One of my small businesses is my farm. And let's just say feeding all these mouths is not cheap, but at least I'm earning 2 miles per dollar on everything I spend. That's unheard of. Plus, this card has no preset spending limit, which gives me big purchasing power, so I get even more rewards on those big purchases. The VentureX business card is the only business miles card that gives you unlimited double miles on every purchase. And when I book through Capital One Travel, I can earn unlimited 10 miles per dollar spent on hotels and rental cars and 5 on flights and vacation rentals. Plus, the miles I earn never expire for the life of the account, and there are no blackout dates. I also get an annual $300 credit to be used towards purchases on Capital One's travel booking site, which also has amazing tools to help me manage travel for my employees. But hey, let's be honest, I'm the points guy, so I love transferring my Capital One miles to their 15 incredible loyalty partners to book insane first-class flights. And unfortunately for me, my 2 little ones also love luxury travel, so I've got a lot of mouths to feed these days. Hello, how are you?
I'm fabulous. Welcome to the Rittenhouse Hotel. We have you in our presidential suites.
Ooh.
And how will you be paying today?
Paying on my VentureX business.
Thank you. It's all available for early check-in for you. And here is your room key. You're all set, and I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. As a busy working dad, there's only so many flights I can take, but I do take a lot of ride shares and trains. And the beauty of these miles is you can use them to wipe out those purchases as well. Because Capital One miles are so versatile, they can drastically reduce the cost of pretty much any trip. And as a total hotel snob, let's be honest. The Premier Collection from Capital One Travel has some of the most breathtaking hotels, and I get a lot of perks when I book through their travel booking site. I cannot wait to sleep in silence tonight. I hate being away from my kids, but I love a good night's sleep. With every Premier Collection hotel booking, I can unlock VIP benefits like free daily breakfast for 2 and a $100 experience credit, redeemable for things like hotel dining, spa, and other activities unique to each stay. Plus, I get benefits like room upgrades, early check-in, and late checkout when available. And my employees love VentureX Business too, because I can get them their own employee cards. Plus, I earn rewards on their purchases. And I get access to virtual cards, which makes vendor payments much more secure and simplifies expenses by not exposing my physical card number. With VentureX Business, I can maximize my rewards with the combination of unlimited double miles and big purchasing power. And big purchasing power lets me spend more than I could on a traditional credit product. Spending more equals earning even more reward. So the more I invest in my business and employees, the more rewards I get. These days, my time is super valuable. And frankly, there are a lot of lounges I'm not going out of my way to visit. But if there's a Capital One lounge, I'm going. These I actually seek out. They're an oasis in whatever airport you find them in. And thanks to my VentureX business card, I get access to these lounges whenever I travel. I am so excited about this location at JFK. Not just because JFK is one of my most visited airports, but the intentionality of this lounge. Every square inch of space is perfectly designed. Whether you've got your family room, you want to just have views of the tarmac, there is something here for everyone. I'm excited to check out the bodega. As a highly caffeinated and often jet-lagged traveler, I am super excited about the La Colombe espresso drinks. We've got iconic Essa bagels. They have the signature Capital One grab and go, which has a lot of really healthy options. Travel is much, much more fun when you're fed. Hot tip, whenever you come to the lounge, come straight to the Cheesemonger experience. I cannot recommend it enough. This is what travel in lounge hopping is all about. There are a lot of cards out there, but the VentureX business card is a powerful option for any small business. And frankly, one I couldn't live without.